Hi family, hi family. This is Dr. Mo with Moya Body Care and Colon Hydrotherapy, and I am your favorite colon hydrotherapist that practices the sacred art of colon hydrotherapy, herbs, and natural living. I want to go over a question that I get asked often, and that is most women will ask me, do I have a womb practice? Do I know about Yoni steaming? What are the benefits of Yoni steaming? How does that correlate into what you do? And are you a Yoni steam practitioner? Like all these hype words, titles, buzzwords, etc., 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 etc. One thing that I definitely promote is education versus accepting what the community is floating around as far as buzzwords to get you to buy, to accept, to consume. That's the main thing, is that a lot of these buzzwords are there to get you to consume something. Number one, there's nothing that you need to consume about Yoni steaming. But what a thing I want to definitely clear up is the education behind it. I always like to let women know, or anyone in general, men and women, that your womb space and your prostate, because men can receive perineum steam. So actually, this is a really good conversation now that I think about it. Women will receive yoni steams because we have a uterus. Men will receive perineum steams because they have a prostate. Okay, so technically, the perineum is the space in between the the vagina and the anus. Okay, that's the space, that soft space in between is a perineum. That's often the space that is ripped when a woman is giving birth. That's what my son did to me. We'll talk about that later. Anywho, so moving right along. The education part of the womb space and understanding how the womb connects with the colon is that the womb is one of 5 channels of elimination for women. Men have 4, women have 5. The 5th is our uterus. The 4th that we, or the 4 that we all have, are our colon, our kidneys, our lungs, our skin, and then once again, the 5th for women is our uterus. So when we talk about should we yoni steam, it's a no-brainer for me. It's a channel of elimination. You should be caring for your womb space regardless if you have fibroid, cyst, tumors, regardless if you are having a menstrual cycle or not. You still have a uterus. Regardless if you have had a complete hysterectomy and you have 0 of your feminine organs, you still have a phantom uterus, and your body is still vibrating as if she still has a uterus. That's how our bodies are designed, love. So yoni steaming will still be beneficial to you. But I'm going to take it a step further and move beyond the prostate, move beyond our uterus, and let you know that this physical situation right here that we have from here to here is a cavity. It literally is a cavity. So if I were to take my womb space out, take my colon, my kidney, my liver, my heart, like remove all of the soft tissues, remove everything, all you will have is a cavity. The steam from the yoni steam or the perineum steam is going to move through that body cavity, and it's going to soften and depress. It's going to the organs. It's going to release the muscles that are like this. It's going to make the muscles go like this. The muscles that are wrapped around your spine are going to go, they're going to soften. All that heartache and tension and frustration that's wrapped around your heart space is going to soften. And what's going to happen is you're going to start tapping into your emotional space. Now that the physical body and the physical cells, the physical tissue of your organs are soft, now you're going to start hitting on points like your emotional space and your spiritual space. That's where the tears start coming in. That is the biggest reason why people don't cleanse. It's not because they can't, or it's hard, or it tastes bad. It's because intrinsically you know you're going to need to deal with all of the shit you did just like this over the years. Everybody knows that. Even when you feel you don't know that, your cells know that. Hence the reason why it's been. So when you're looking at colon therapy, at least from my angle, I can't speak for all or anyone. Let's just say I can't speak for anyone. I can only speak for myself. Is that my angle is that your colon is one of 5 channels of elimination. I specialize in colon therapy. However, I educate you on the other 4 if you're a woman, the other 3 if you are a man, or 4 or 5. Yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Educate you so that you can understand how to care for your body complete and in a whole. Most people only come to me for like an itemized thing, like, oh, I have this and it's only that and it's just this isolated thing. The body doesn't work like that. The body is one physical unit, emotionally, physically, and spiritually, wrapped in this soft, dewy situation that we are gifted. It's not an isolated situation, even though the Western medical field has broken it into departments like that, and nobody is communicating, hence the reason why the body is completely out of alignment. The body is not compartmentalized like that. If something is not happening here with your esophagus, it is going to create an issue with your eyesight, swallowing, and your stomach. And then it's going to start penetrating through your skin. That's how the body works. That's how the body is designed. It's not designed to be separated. So when you come in for a colonic, at least with me, you will be educated on all channels of elimination, and that includes the uterus. And both men and women can receive a Yoni steam for women, a perineum steam for men, because it is greatly needed and desired. And here's the other thing. You don't need to be in pain or have anything out of alignment, because the steam is going to travel throughout the entire cavity, softening everything. Everybody needs to be softened. Everybody needs some form and level of healing. Everybody needs space to breathe. Everyone. So colon therapy, yoni steaming, infrared sauna is not reserved for people who are ill or sick or detoxing or out of alignment. I'm not out of alignment, and I use all of the services that I give. It's called maintenance. Feel free to implement that in your life. And whenever you're ready, feel free to give me a call. I would love to be of service. My name is Dr. Mo with Moya Body Care and Colon Hydrotherapy, and I am your favorite colon hydrotherapist that practices the sacred art of colon hydrotherapy. My private office is located in Torrance, California. My website is Moya, M-O-Y-A, bodycare.com, and my phone number is 562-682-0818. Until then, stay hydrated. Mwah. Enjoy.